Welcome to our Hollies PE and Art news report in the autumn term at Deanery.
In the autumn term, nursery have been very busy making diver lamps using clay. Also, they made an enormous ark for Noah and his animals. Last of all, they've made hats for their nursery scarecrow, made lollipop stick puppets using leaves and twigs they found on an autumn walk, and lots more. This term, nursery have been taking part in a dance workshop, which they are very excited for. They're exploring how to move their bodies in lots of different ways and negotiating their bodies around different obstacles.
In year 1 they have been using different sketching techniques to draw their favourite superheroes. In ICT they have been using Scratch on the iPads to make superhero moving pictures. Also in the computer room they have made firework pictures.
In the autumn term in year 2 they've been using their art pencils to learn about different sketching techniques in order to explore different textures and shades when they're drawing. They have also learnt how to print using a polystyrene tile and a plant. Olivia said that they drew a pirate ship using their sketching pencils. In PE, Year 2 have been learning team games and how exercise affects their bodies. They have been learning how to control different balls in a coordinated way. Also, they have been learning how to send and return objects correctly and safely.
In Year 3 they have created a Deanery hoard, including some extraordinary Iron Age brooches and clay beaker people pottery. Here are some of the beaker pots that were made. In PE, they have been creating parts of a dance based on Matilda, the musical. So far they have covered Mr. Wormwood, Miss Honey and Matilda.
In Year 4 they are currently studying hockey and dance in their PE slots. In hockey they have been looking at push passes and dribbling. In dance they have been creating some action poses around the theme of James Bond. They're now looking at how to transition between their poses in character.
In Year 5 they have been looking at shading techniques and have tried using these to help them draw a still life. They found it quite difficult to make the fruit look 3D, and they had to look carefully at where the areas of light and shade were. In PE, they have recently started a new unit on gymnastics. This week they have been looking at symmetrical forms of balance and travelling and use these to develop a short sequence of different moves. They have also been lucky to have the Aspire lead some of their PE lessons. This half term they are doing netball.
In Year 6 they have been making remembrance poppies for a 5-strip landscape. Also they've been making poppies out of felt or clay. In PE, Year 6 have been playing tag rugby, hockey and gymnastics. Thanks for listening to Holly's News Report.
See you next time!